Boom.
Yes! Hey guys, it is Leslie and Jace at Red Digital, and we are going to tell you something that marketing companies do not want you to know. What is it, Jace?
SEO's a scam.
SEO's a scam. And that's it, guys. So thanks so much for joining our Red Recap.
And we will talk to you later. No. So let us explain ourselves on the whole SEO.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to be page one of Google.
Everyone.
Every company wants to be page one. Every marketing company promises what?
I will get you on top of Google in 1 month.
Yes.
And they can. They can get you to be number one for your clinic name. Maybe in your city.
Yes, maybe they can do that. So we're going to give you a quick rundown, 2-minute rundown of what it takes to win at SEO and what things you need to be looking for when it comes to your SEO campaign. So, number one, search engine optimization, that's SEO, always starts with great content.
Exactly.
Okay, you have to have some way to produce great content that people want to look at. That's all Google cares about. They want you to produce content that a consumer will read and that they'll stay on your website. Exactly. So content is always number one, and that is key. So how do you know if somebody's producing good content?
Number one, that they are following the current Google trend. So right now you need to have 1,500 to 2,000 words.
Okay,
blog, right?
Say that again.
1,500 to 2,000 words.
So if your company that does SEO is pushing out content of 300 words, what does that tell you?
Fire.
Average article on the number one spot on Google is well above 1,500 words. I think it's more in the 4,000 words. Okay, so understand, 1,500 words is your minimum. You would be better to produce one article that's 1,500 words than 5 articles that are 300 words each.
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly.
So, like you said, 1,500 words. Another thing is, what are your title tags? What are your description tags? Okay, what keyword? Are you going to rank for chiropractor?
Not if you have a joint in where you live.
Yeah, not if you have a joint. Understand that joint chiropractic, they are spending hundreds of thousands, if not millions a month on their SEO.
Yeah, compared to most chiros spending 200 a month on some guy to write one 300-word article. That's just, you're wasting your money.
Yeah, okay. Also, another thing on SEO, you will have an easier time ranking a good video than you will a really good article for competitive keywords. Now, if it's chiropractor or if it's stem cell in an area, you can do that.
Yeah.
You're not going to rank for stem cell. You're not. It's a national keyword. WebMD or one of those companies is going to rank. So if anyone tells you that, it's a scam.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. What else, Les?
Is your website mobile friendly? Because now what Google's doing, what I've been seeing, is that it has its desktop version and its mobile version. Just because you're number one on desktop does not mean you're number one on mobile.
On mobile, okay. And then you have to remember too is page speed.
Oh yeah.
You have to have a fast page speed to rank, okay. And then finally, the ultimate thing you need are good backlinks. Okay? Yeah. So if your SEO company is not getting you backlinks in a way, quality backlinks, you can go out and buy a bunch for junk, but if they're not getting you quality backlinks, once again,
fire
them, okay?
Yeah.
It is not what they're doing. So it comes down to good quality backlinks and really good quality content. Other than that, is there any other secret?
Yeah, you hire marketing by Red.
Yes.
Just producing good content, backlinks, and staying on top of the trends, I think, when Google changes things.
Yeah. So, and we left out a lot of things like submitting your site up to Webmaster Tools and all that stuff. If you want, here's a suggestion. Go to UberSuggest, UberSuggest.com. Put in your website and see how much organic traffic you are getting.
Yep.
And it'll tell you, and it'll surprise a lot of you how bad your website is.
Yeah.
Some of you might be killing it.
If you don't know that you're killing it, you're not killing it.
True. Okay. Hey, that is it. That is your Red Recap. And anything else?
Yep, we are going to be unveiling our marketing conference that we're going to have in the summer. So if you're interested in RSVPing for the announcement, we're going to have a link right. One of them.
Someplace on here.
Okay.
Sweet. Keep marketing.
Bye, guys. Okay, we got all of April done, right?